Okay, if you're thinking of getting this fold-up chair, then this is my honest opinion and my honest review. So there's a few things I like about this. I've had this for around about a year, and I liked it so much that we actually got two of them. But there's a few things I like about this. The first one is that as a chair, this is actually genuinely comfortable. And I didn't think this would be comfortable when I first saw it online, but the reviews were amazing, so I thought I'd give it a try. But it is actually genuinely comfortable. It's as comfortable, I would say, as most sofas, if not more comfortable than most sofas. But it has the added benefit of that you can fold it flat. And this is super useful for a number of reasons. Firstly, you can use this as like a meditation mat if you want to sit on the floor, if you want to lay on the floor even. It can even double as a small bed or like a small mattress. I actually have two of them, so if someone wants to sleep on the floor, then you just stack two of them in a line and you have a bed as well. It looks good in any room. One thing to be aware of is that, as you can see, it can get some little marks. It probably just needs a clean. I haven't cleaned this for a while. But yeah, if you have like a pet, it can leave some marks. The mechanism itself is really easy to use. It's just this ratchet. So you just kind of put it to the angle you want and it stays there like that. So if you're looking for a really nice, comfortable chair that you can recline, and actually it can be a bed or a chair, and it goes with every room, like it goes with every design, every color, then I highly recommend this fold-up chair.